Hi guys, it's Jamilla here, and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. So today's video, I am organizing my kitchen, and I already did like a kitchen makeover, but I never showed the inside of my drawers and cabinets, and it's really looking like a hot mess right now, especially working from home. I really think organizing is like a form of self-love for me because I just feel so much better when my kitchen and just my space looks nice and feels tidy. I organized my pantry on my Instagram a while back. Buying, a couple of storage bins with labels, that really helped us out, keeping things organized, putting things away where they need to, and just having a system and a home for where everything needs to go. So I really want to do that with the rest of my kitchen. Try a bunch of like Pinterest kitchen organization hacks that I've been seeing on social. If this is something you're interested in, keep watching and be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here is my spice/sauce drawer, and I guess it doesn't look too bad. The thing is, it's not pleasing to the eye. So I bought these super cute spice jars from Amazon. So I'm gonna replace all of my spices and put them into these jars. So first we're gonna wash these and then start replacing the spices. I also like creating a label for the expiration date, just so I don't forget. And I purchased the spice rack organizer, and I'm just using command strips to hold them in place so they don't move around when we open and close the drawer. And since I moved all of my spices into that drawer, that gives me so much more room for my sauces and just all that extra stuff. Okay, so this is going to be the last thing I'm doing today because it's pretty late already. But I bought these pot and pan organizers from Ross. They were about $6 each. I'm going to use these to organize my drawer, and I'll show you right now. Here is where we keep all of our pots and pans. Obviously not the most efficient use of space, so I really think that pot and pan organizer can help us grab things more easily. Hi guys, okay, so it is the next day, and today we're gonna go to the grocery store to stock up my fridge because it's running low, and also my pantry. So I wanted to show you guys really quickly these bags that I purchased from Amazon, and they're really great because they replace those plastic bags that they provide for produce and everything. They're able to hold like coffee grounds and like spices, and they don't go through supposedly. So I'm gonna try them out at the grocery store. Also found this really great deal on Amazon for Ziploc reusable bags. And so I'm getting rid of my Ziploc bags. I'll link them all down below. Okay, so we are back from Ross and I wanted to show you quickly just everything I got. Ross has so much affordable like organization products, and I found this one which is 4 eggs, and then we also got these trays which were $5 each, and then these smaller versions, and that's really just gonna help us organize things out and keep them in their place versus everything just spilling all together. So now I'm just going to wash these bins and then start organizing the fridge. I was able to use the reusable bags at Whole Foods for my rice, but these were too small for produce. Like cucumber wouldn't fit in here, these are too small, so I need to get some bigger ones for produce. But other than that, they work really well. So here is our little drink cup cabinet, and this is where we keep all of our most used glassware and then our most used coffee cups. So I think that's a good system to have when you're organizing your cabinets. Just place the most used items at the bottom and then work your way up. I'm really short, so I can't reach that without a ladder anyway. Here is where we keep all of our dishware. One thing that I think helps is just sticking to a few colors, so I just went with basic white and black plates. So this is really easy to keep organized. I also found this really cute recipe book that you can make yourself, and I'm gonna fill it up with all of my favorite recipes from Pinterest and YouTube, just so I have it all in one place and we can reference it in the future. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to comment down below what your favorite part was or what you want to see next. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!